Hey Maya, how was your first day at work?
Hey Ravi, it was good, but also a bit overwhelming. So many new faces and things to learn.
I can imagine. Starting something new is always a bit stressful. What's your team like?
They seem nice. My manager, Mr. Kapoor, is very friendly and helpful. There are 5 people on my team, and they've all been really welcoming.
That's great. So, what exactly will you be doing?
I'm working as a marketing assistant. Today, I mostly observed meetings and read through some documents. Tomorrow, I'll start helping with a social media campaign.
That sounds interesting. Are the working hours okay?
There's a short tea break in the morning and a 1 hour lunch break.
Not bad at all. Did you have lunch with your team?
Yeah, they invited me to join them. We went to the cafeteria downstairs. The food was okay. Not amazing, but not terrible either.
Haha, office food is always like that. Do you have your own desk?
Yes, it's small but comfortable. I even got a welcome kit with a water bottle, diary, pen, and ID card.
Wow, that sounds interesting and fancy. So, overall, are you happy?
I think so. It's just the beginning, so I'm still getting used to everything. But I'm excited to learn and grow.
That's the spirit. You'll do great, Maya.
Thanks, Ravi. Your support means a lot.